Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna be trying to repair this Yezz phone, which got a pretty bulked out battery or inflated battery. As you can see, it's pretty bad. And unfortunately this has damaged the phone. Basically it just popped down here and I need to glue this back into place, and as you can hear inside, something has gone loose, and that's the connector for the battery right here, and I'm gonna have to solder this back. And also I can hear another rattling noise inside the phone, so I'm gonna have to open it. Okay, so I'm gonna start removing the screws now. I'm gonna start with the top one here. Okay, I'm gonna remove all of the other screws off camera. Okay, so I have finished removing all of the screws. Now I can take the front of the phone off, and it comes very easily off. Okay, now that this is off, I can remove the keyboard. I'm gonna put it here. Alright, now let's see what we have in here. I'm gonna try to pop out the motherboard down here. Alright, I'm gonna be back after I take out the motherboard from the phone. Alright, so in order to remove the motherboard I had to cut the sticker in two places, one being right here and the other one being right here. So now the motherboard just lifts out of the phone. Okay, so now you can see that right here the connector has come loose or off, and I'm gonna have to try soldering it back into place. So I'm gonna prepare my things and start doing it. Okay, now I'm gonna try to solder the joints here. I'm gonna try adding a little bit of this. Alright, I'm gonna be back after I do some work here. Alright, so I did manage to solder this, but it was pretty difficult to film it, so I did manage to put it back together. Now I have to reassemble the phone in order to see if this works or not. Alright, so I'm gonna start again by taking the mid frame of the phone and putting the motherboard back inside. And everything should just fit right back inside. Okay, so everything seems fine here. Now I'm gonna put the keyboard inside, then the face of the phone, okay, so I'm not gonna put any screws inside of this phone yet. All that I just is I'm gonna take the inflated battery and try putting it here just to try the phone. Let's see if it works. And yes, it works indeed. So I'm pretty happy with the result, and I'm gonna have to buy a brand new battery for this phone, because this is just unacceptable. It will never work. So as you can see, the phone has turned on. Okay, so now that I know my job is done, I'm gonna glue some things back inside the phone, and then I'm gonna put the screws and assemble the phone. So I'm gonna see you guys then. Okay, so now that I have seen that the phone is working, I'm gonna clean this old glue right here in the corner, and I'm gonna use a toothpick to pick it up. Alright, I've managed to take it out, so now I'm gonna take a clean piece of cloth and clean the display before assembling. Okay, I've taken the piece of cloth, and now I'm gonna clean this as good as I can. Okay, now that everything is clean, I'm gonna put the face back on. Okay, so the keyboard goes first, and then the face of the phone. Okay, it just snaps into place. Now I'm gonna start putting all the screws back. I'm gonna start with this top one here. Okay, and I'm gonna be back after I finish screwing all of them. And also I have to glue the phone here in order not to lose the face, because you can see it is broken down here. So I'll have to put some glue. So I'm gonna see you guys after. Alright guys, so I have finished gluing the phone here, down here, so the face won't come off easily, and you'll not be able to lose the keyboard. And I have also bought a brand new battery, which is right here, and I'm gonna install it inside the phone. As you can see, it fits perfectly, and it's not an original, it's a reproduction. So I'm gonna put the back cover on, and I'm gonna power up the phone. So as you can see, the phone is working, and in order to complete my test, I'm gonna have to check if it charges. So I'm gonna be back after I try it. Alright, so as you can see, the phone is still working, and right now I'm gonna plug in the charger, which goes right here, and as you can see, it charges. It's charging with no problems. So I'm gonna call this solved, and the phone is fixed, and I'm gonna return it to the owner. So that was it guys, see you on another video.